Hello, welcome back. This is John, your host for the 321 e-commerce.net tutorial. And today we're going to be covering the help desk system or help desk ticketing system. Okay, we need to log in. We have several apps here. And what we're going to be talking about here will be the ticketing system right here. This is good for help desk and for support tickets, as well as for IT help desk. So if you're answering calls and wanted to create a ticket, this would be something you need on your toolbox. All right, so now we're at the list of ticketing. There's nothing to list here. There's no ticketing items here. So first up, we need to set up, since this is going to be the first account, to set up the categories. As category itself, we have the list of ticketing categories. There's nothing here. This empty list. So we need to add new. Okay, so let's say we're going to call this one, I don't know, tech support. We're going to put in customer issues here for this description. Again, this is all dependent on how you wanted to have your descriptions on the category and how you do your categories within the company. Okay, so now we have here customer complaint, customer tech issues. Okay, so we click add. You can also leave that blank if you don't want to put it under description. But so that way you have some idea when you do have the list of the categories, it's going to come out here as you have the description here. Tech support, you have this. You can have a tech support for other issues as well. So this is customer tech issues. Let's say you have multiple tech support. You can have tech support for, let's say, for example, your product. Let's say you have a TV product, so you can say tech support for TV. If you have a tech support for phone products, so you have your tech support phone. You can identify that under the category here. So now that we've set up the category, we can now go back, or we can just click on the ticketing here. So either go back, click on the ticketing. It's going to bring us back to the ticketing system. Okay, now we have the ticketing system here. So now that we have the category, we can go on and create a new ticket. Click on add new. Okay. So now that we have the category set up, now we can create a new ticket for the ticketing. So put in the New York branch, right? And then the category would be, like I said, the tech support. So if we put in like one letter within the category, all the categories with that one letter will come out on the drop down. So now we selected the tech support. Okay, so you can add a picture here if they have a screenshot of their problems or a photo of their, let's say, for example, if you're a car dealership, and there's some if you provide the support for the automobile, like you have an insurance for them, they can send you the pictures of the damage over here. So you can have that. Say for example, the customer emailed the picture to your support center. So let's say for example you wanted to create a ticket for a customer that has a issue with their I don't know, say internet. And the customer would be, let's say, John Smith. And the company is, let's say, for example, if this is a company that you're supporting, let's say YZ, whatever. And the branch of this one would be, let's say, New Jersey. And the department would be, let's say, for example, their admin department has a problem with their internet outages. Let's say, for example, you are a internet provider. So this is how you open up a ticket for that particular company. And the description would be internet down for since, let's say, 15 minutes ago. And then if this is linked to an old ticket, it's going to be here. And this is not linked yet because there's nothing there. I'll show you that later. You have a ticket active here, so you leave it open, yes. If you close it, whoever's the operator will be identified here. And the time it was closed. But for now, let's leave it open. So we can have this up and running. Click add. Click on add. Okay, so now we have add. Click on cancel. It generated a QR code for the ticket. You have this. Now click on the spyglass here. It's a quick summary of what you have. And you have the barcode there as well. And you have the QR code. Okay, so put it back. You can print it or set it by a PDF. Download by a PDF. So let's say, for example, you wanted to change something that you forgot. You wanted to call the internet outage or change something within the ticket. Click on the pencil icon here. Go back to the ticket. This is a VIP customer, so you need to put that there. Say, for example, and that's how you save your ticket, or you want to do your changes. That's how you do your changes. Just click on save, and it's gonna go there. If you have a photo of the issue, a screenshot or a picture of the product itself. Okay, so we have this up and running. So let's say, for example, we wanted to create a new ticket again. Say, for example, we closed up that ticket already, but either it's open or closed, it's still going to show on the, let's say, for example, we're back at the New York branch. Category would be tech support right there, right? And then on the item there, so you need to put in an item here. So internet outage and it's an internet outage again for the same customer. Company, you put in the company name here. XYZ, whatever company. And then you have a customer here, so let's say enhancement. Okay, so we created the app on this one. We created a ticket before. Same branch, same Jersey. The department is the admin department, and we're gonna say same issue. So action note VIP customer. So we can have a link to all ticket. It's gonna be internet outage from the previous ticket. That's how we link to. And then you click on save. And if you go to the page again, you're gonna have this one. Link to old ticket. It's showing internet outage, which is from this ticket here. All right. So now that we have that, we have two different tickets now, or one ticket with another extension of the ticket. We can do a search here. You have the active search, you know, that kind of stuff. And then you have a submit date by month, day, year, category, you know, contains all that kind of stuff. So you can do a lot of different here. You can play around with the how you want to search, and then you also have columns, user ID. When you click apply, it's not going to show up on the end here. You just have the submit date. So you design how your columns want to be. How do you want to sort this? Do you want to sort this by open date, or by the category, or by the title? Yeah, it's up to you how you want to sort it. First sort, second sort, and it goes on and on and on. All right, and then when you're ready, you just click on apply. Group by is the same thing. It's kind of like a reporting mechanism, but the reports will be coming in as being grouped by. So this one is grouped by date and category, and then you can have another. Let's say, for example, it has to meet all of this criteria. Then by the date, then by the category, then by the title. That's a group by. And click on apply if you like it, cancel if you don't. Then you have the export. You can export to PDF, Excel, Word, XML, CSV, RTF, or print to your printer. And then the summary is a little bit cooler because it has the graphs on it. There you go. This is you have 2 tickets for February. Okay, so we're done with this one. And that's pretty much it for the ticketing system. Again, this is John. Thank you for joining me for yet another episode of 321ecommerce.net. Bye for now.